Hello there, soulmates, welcome to class. So today I'm going to be showing you the right way to get your cup bustier, like the picture you're seeing now on your screen. Alright, so here right now I already have the foundation. Like I said, the foundation of every corset or cup bustier is a bustier, so you should be able to achieve this on your own. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I will just explain what I've done. Now your cleavage measurement should be taken from your neck depth to wherever you want it to be. Now note that the cup bustier is not something that covers you, so it's finer when it's lower. Alright, so my cleavage measurement has been taken from here to here. It's 6.5 inches, and from your cleavage measurement you go up by either 2.5 from 2 inches to 3, so it could be 2.5, 3 inches depending on how much you want to cover up your cleavage. That is what I've done here. So the next thing I did was to come in, your bustier, your cup bustier, the stuff where, just like your bra that separates the bust, okay? So it could either be 0.5 or 0.75 to 1 inch. It depends on the width of your model or your chest. Now what I'll do next is to close my bust dart and now start cup alteration. So I'm going to be using pencil here first. So most of the times, dear fashion tutors, dear fashion students, you want to do this after you've done your on the bust tightening. Now there's actually a gauge for this, right? So the gauge here should not be more than 1 inch or 1.25. So this is how to put down your gauge. You can see this is 1.25, and this works for everybody. So when you see cups like this, I'm going to be using, some people do their cup like this. This is way to go about having a wrong fitting for your bustier. Your cup bustier should be curvy like a cup, just like it is, like so. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my marker pen to smoothen this part, and the next we'll do is to show you how to take your cup measurement. To take your bust width or your cup size, you need to start from your mid chest. Our bust is like this, so this is the kind of measurement you're taking from here to here. You can use your bra iron or bra wire as guide. So mine is about 8 inches, so I'm going to mark my 8 inches here. And then what I'll do next, I've slashed my waist dart. What I'll do next is to close the bust dart like so. Alright, so after closing my bust dart, this is my 8 inches. Remember, you measured from here to that part. If you want to know more about this, we have a class on corset making. You can take our corset master class or either our corset advanced class, most especially season 2. So you can see that my cup is this way instead of like this. I'm going to be using my pen. Some people do it like this. So you see, look at the wrong cup curve here. You can see it's wrong. Don't do this. This is right. Your cup should be like this, so that it gives you a perfect fit. So I'm going to wipe this out, and the next thing is truing my overbust tightening and shaping it. So you can see me closing my overbust dart like so. Alright, so most times before I go ahead to shape the upper part of my cup, I would like to use a pencil, just to sketch, to confirm or to check if I like what I see, but what is here looks perfect. So I'll go ahead and blend up or smoothing it out with my curve like so that I can have a bold shape. Okay, so I'll do this. It depends. If you're making a tube, you can continue it actually, but if you're not making a tube, you can just so like this my cup corset can have a yoke because it's well smoothing, and my yoke can start from here. So the next you want to do is cup styling. There are different types of cup styling. You can actually style your cup like so. I'm just going to open it up. So when you open up, before we talk about cup styling, when you open up, you might notice that some part has to be extended, so you just do that. That is what truing is all about. It helps you correct it, so you don't just go ahead and cut and have a shortage. So by the time you join this, it will come out perfectly. You can see how perfect it is, and I'm going to close it back. If I want to style my cup, I can style as I like. I can style, just cut it out. This one is 2, or the regular cup styling, which is like I always say, there's no standards to this thing. Is as you prefer. 1.5 here. I like to do 2 inches by this side, and of course coming again with my curve and then connect it. So it means one can go lower like so if you wish. It can be this low, it can even be this high. Style according to how you want. Okay, so mates, that will be all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. For further research and learning, see you, or you can join our paid corset masterclass or our corset advanced class for more of this. So I'm going to be blending up my lines. I'll cut it out, and then that will be all. All right, so the next thing you want to do is number your cup, and I like to number SCF, SF, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 1. I like to write SF here, and CF is very important. So you need to number as much as you can so that you don't miss your pattern pieces. And also your bust points, you need to note it because you need to notch it on your fabric. So I'm done. I will just cut out the cup and show you how perfect my curve is. All right, so mates, we're done. So you can see how perfect my curve is. So if your curve doesn't have this shape, no, you're doing it wrongly. Try to work on it with the video guide, okay? So this is it. My cup bustier is ready to be transferred to fabric. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you start doing it right. My name is Precious. See you in our next class. Bye.